am doing this keyboard review. I know the box is already ripped and stuff. It's okay though. It's okay. Don't worry about that. Today we are doing a keyboard review for this company. Well, they're not paying me. I bought a new keyboard and I want to review it. So yeah. So we'll start looking. Put it up. So we have a manual, 60% pudding keyboard. I don't know what that means. Punding, maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Put this aside for now. First thing we have is the keyboard here. With the cable, it's a wireless keyboard. So it comes with USB Type-C cable. The link in the description for this keyboard. So in the description. So if you want to buy it, go ahead and look at it. But yeah, USB Type-C cable. Now we have the keyboard itself. Okay, so this is the keyboard. Sound test. That's the keyboard. Sounds pretty good, I guess. So it's a 60% keyboard. It takes USB Type-C. Here's the back. I don't know how to pronounce the company's name. It's like Snurperkitty. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it really. But yeah, so it's the keyboard. And yeah, it does lights up, so let me go plug it up right now. Alright guys, so I know you said the scenery is different because I had to go get to my PS5 room. So, but yeah, so this is the keyboard. It works. I don't see no input delay, it's pretty good. So yeah, this is the keyboard lit up, and you can change it by pushing F and K. So, and then you turn the brightness down and up. But yeah, I really like this one. I like this one. I'll switch to the colors. So yeah, I'll definitely be using this color. But yeah, so yeah, let me see. Yeah, this is it. So yeah, short video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Wait, hold on. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. This is the key. But yeah, this is the keyboard. This one plugged in. That's what I'm like. But yeah, this is the keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash like that subscribe button. So yeah, but I'm Mrxd. This is my keyboard review. Head out. Bye.